Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your bank to Betterment for retirement investing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your bank to Betterment for retirement investing, start by logging into your Betterment account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the prompts on the Betterment website. Once logged in, navigate to the funding section of your account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Link Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the connection process. You will be prompted to enter your banking information. Select your bank from the list provided. If your bank is not listed, you can enter your bank details manually. Next, provide your bank account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is entered correctly to avoid any issues. After entering your information, click on Continue. Betterment will initiate a verification process. This usually involves confirming small test deposits made to your bank account. Check your bank statements for the test deposits. Once you see these deposits, return to your Betterment account. Enter the amounts of the test deposits as prompted. After verification is complete, your bank account will be linked to Betterment. You can now transfer funds for retirement investing. Feel free to explore investment options available in your Betterment account. Review the performance of your investments regularly. Make sure to adjust your strategy as needed to meet your retirement goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.